Hi everyone, hope you are all doing well. I've been craving for mala food recently. What kind of food have you been craving for? Mala is a Sichuan flavor. Ma means nami, refers to the Sichuan peppercorn, and the la is spicy. So today I'm going to share with you mala noodles in Chinese. Mala mian is so simple and delicious, and the ingredients also very simple too. Let me show you now. Today I'm going to use dry noodle, Asian dry noodles. Looks like this. I'm going to use one piece. It's about 2 ounces. You can use glass noodles and other noodles. You have dry noodles or even ramen noodles. And also I have chili flakes. You can also use chili powder. And this is a spicy part, of course. And this is a Sichuan pepper powder. This is a numbing agent. And I have some spinach leaves. You can use other leafy vegetables. Also, we have our trio green onions, chop up. And I have a piece of ginger. We'll mince it. And I have 1 clove of garlic. Mince it. Now we're ready to cook the noodles. Our water is boiling. Let's add the noodles. We'll cook about 5 to 6 minutes. About 5 minutes, our noodle almost ready. Just add some cold water so the noodles won't be sticky, and our spinach leaves. And let's take out our noodles. Turn off the heat. Gathering our noodles. Next, we are going to heat up the oil. Now we're heating up the pan to high. Add some vegetable oil. We'll let this heat up about a minute or till the oil is hot. Okay, meanwhile, we dress our noodles with green onions, ginger, garlic, and Sichuan pepper powder. Depends on how nami you like, and chili pepper flakes to your own taste. How do we know our oil is hot? So we can just drop a little bit flake there if it's bubbling. Just need a little bit more time. Now our oil is hot, so we're going to pour to our noodles. And we need to add some soy sauce. You can also use the salt. And you can also add the vinegar to your like. And our noodles are ready. Smells so good. Let me mix this well. Try. Nami, spicy and garlicky. Just so many flavors. And really simple to make, right? please try to make this. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.